Hey everybody, it's your boy Dubal. Welcome to this episode of Learn with Dubail. I'm so excited because today we're about to embark on a magical journey together. A journey to the land of Afan Oromo. Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're diving headfirst into the top 50 conversational phrases that'll have you speaking like a true Oromo pro in no time. Get ready to have some fun, make some mistakes, because hey, that's how we learn. And most importantly, let's do this together. Okay, let's kick things off with a classic. Hello in Afan Oromo is Akam. Say it with me. Akam. Now, because all good things must come to an end, goodbye in Afan Oromo is Naga. One more time, Naga. Alright, manners matter. To say please in Afan Oromo, we say malu. Let's hear it. Malu. Chapter 4. And of course, we gotta show some gratitude. Thank you in Afan Oromo is galatumi. Give it a try, galatumi. Chapter 5. Time for some agreement. Yes, in Afan Oromo is iyi. Say it loud and proud. Iyi. Chapter 6. And sometimes we gotta disagree. No in Afan Oromo is lucky. Let's practice. Lucky. Oops, gotta squeeze past ya. Excuse me in Afan Oromo is difama. Repeat after me. Difama. Spaghetti-o. To say I'm sorry in Afan Oromo, we say nadisi. One more time, nadisi. Alright, let's check in on our friends. How are you? In Afan Oromo is akam jirta? Say it with feeling. Akam jirta? And if you're feeling good, you can respond with naganjira, which means I'm fine. Let's hear it. Naganjira. Now let's get to know each other. What is your name? In Afan Oromo is Makan ki inyu. Practice makes perfect. Makan ki inyu? And to introduce yourself, you can say Makan ku, followed by your name. For example, Makan ku Dubale. Your turn. After introductions, let's be polite. Nice to meet you in Afan Oromo is Sinwal Argun Garida. One more time. Sinwal Argun Garida. Time to learn about each other's roots. Where are you from? In Afan Oromo is Isa Dufte? Let's ask Isa Dufte. And to answer, you can say Ani Ira Dufe, filling in the blank with your place of origin. For example, Ani America Ira Dufe. Your turn to share. How old are you? Umurin Kimika? Now let's be age appropriate or not. How old are you? In Afan Oromo is Umurin Kimika. Don't be shy, ask away. Umurin Kimika? I am years old, Ani. Waga Kaba. And to answer, you can say Ani Waga Kaba, replacing the with your age. For example, Ani 25 Waga Kaba. Go ahead, tell us your age. Do you speak English? Ingalifa dubata? Now let's see if we have any common languages. Do you speak English? In Afan Oromo is Ingalifa dubata? Let's ask. Ingalifa dubata? Lost in translation? I don't understand. In Afan Oromo is Nahingale. Repeat after me, Nahingale. When in doubt, ask for help. Can you help me? In Afan Oromo is Nagargarta. Let's practice. Nagargarta. Nature calls. Where is the bathroom? In Afan Oromo is Manafinkani Isa Jira. One more time. Manafinkani Isa Jira. Time to go shopping. How much is this? In Afan Oromo is Kunmika. Let's ask Kunmika. I'll take one of everything. I would like, in Afan Oromo is Ani, Barbada. For example, Ani Buna Barbada. I would like coffee. Your turn to order. Is it time to learn more Afan Oromo yet? What time is it? In Afan Oromo is Sa'amikatae. Let's ask, Sa'amikatae? All this language learning is making me hungry. I am hungry in Afan Oromo is Bila Ira. Say it with feeling. Bila Ira. And of course, we gotta stay hydrated. I am thirsty and Afan Oromo is dadhabira. One more time, dadhabira. This is a workout for the brain. I am tired and Afan Oromo is dadhabira. Let's hear it. Dadhabira. Uh-oh, where are we? I am lost and Afan Oromo is dadhabira. Repeat after me, dadhabira. Stay safe out there. I need a doctor and Afan Oromo is Doctora Barbada. One more time, Doctora Barbada. And if you ever need help, call the police and Afan Oromo is Polisi Iwama. Let's practice. Polisi Iwama. Ah, feeling the love, I love you and Afan Oromo is Sin Jalada. Say it from the heart, Sin Jalada. Distance makes the heart grow fonder. I miss you and Afan Oromo is Sin Yadira. One more time, Sin Yadira. This is just the beginning of our Afan Oromo journey. See you later in Afan Oromo is Buddha Siarjina. Let's say it together, Buddha Siarjina. Rise and shine. Good morning in Afan Oromo is Akambulte. Greet the day, Akambulte. Sweet dreams are made of this. Good night in Afan Oromo is Naganbuli. One more time, Naganbuli. Let's celebrate. Happy birthday in Afan Oromo is Ayana Dalutagari. Say it with joy, Ayana Dalutagari. You did it! Congratulations in Afan Oromo is Bagagamadan. Let's celebrate, Bagagamadan. May the odds be ever in your favor. Good luck in Afan Oromo is Milky Gari. One more time, Milky Gari. Spread the positivity. Have a nice day in Afan Oromo is Gaya Gari Kabadu. Let's say it together, Gaya Gari Kabadu. Stay safe and sound. Take care in Afan Oromo is of Iji. One more time, of Iji. Curiosity didn't kill the cat. It learned Afan Oromo. What is this? In Afan Oromo is Kunmal. Let's ask, Kunmal? Hey, it's okay not to know everything. I don't know in Afan Oromo is Hinbiku. Repeat after me, Hinbiku. Repetition is key. Can you repeat that? In Afan Oromo is Amasjedi. One more time, Amasjedi. We're all in this together. I am learning Afan Oromo and Afan Oromo is Afan Oromo Baracha Ajira. Let's say it with pride. Afan Oromo Baracha Ajira. Show some love. I like it in Afan Oromo is Jalada. One more time, Jalada. Honesty is the best policy. I don't like it in Afan Oromo is Hinjalan. Let's practice, Hinjalani. Help a friend out. What do you recommend? In Afan Oromo is Maltu Sifta'a. One more time, Maltu Sifta'a. Feeling good like I should. I am happy in Afan Oromo is Gamadira. Let's spread the joy, Gamadira. It's okay to not be okay. I am sad in Afan Oromo is Gadanjira. One more time, Gadanjira. Adventure awaits. Let's go in Afan Oromo is Dimni. Let's go already, Dimni. High fives all around, my friends. You just crushed it. We zoomed through 50 conversational Afan Oromo phrases like it was nothing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep those tongues wagging, those ears listening, and those brains engaged. And hey, don't be a stranger. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next language adventure. Until then, stay curious, stay awesome, and keep on learning.